ERW Site Solutions specializes in stone gravity retaining walls as well as a wide array of other type of retaining walls. Our company's been operating CAT machines since about 2006. We have a wide array of mini X's, skid steers, backhoes, and medium-sized excavators. What I think sets CAT apart from the competition is just the service that they have, their parts availability. The service side of things is what sets us apart. Our working relationship with Holt has been wonderful through the last few years. They've always come through with getting the equipment in a timely fashion, helping us through our financing, as well as our maintenance and service programs.
Service is second to none from our CAT dealer. As far as field service, in-shop service, loop services, they do a great job altogether.
You know, customers are looking for the least amount of risk possible in their business, and having the service and maintenance done in the form of a CVA through the CAT dealers is the best way for a customer to reduce risk.
The CAT value agreement really benefits ERW Site Solutions specifically in that they really grew fast, their fleet grew, and they literally didn't have the manpower to maintain it.
I find the CVA beneficial to us versus regular maintenance because before we were shutting down our operations during the day to service a machine, which was stopping our production. And now with the CVA, we're able to do that after hours, and it really benefits our production and our maintenance program as a whole because, you know, we wouldn't shut down a machine when we needed to typically, and now we do.
The one word I would use to describe our CVA would be phenomenal.
CAT Parts benefits ERW Site Solutions specifically in that they're not looking for long-term ownership and equipment like some customers are. They're doing fairly short-term leases with the intention of returning most of them at the end of that lease. When those machines come back with all CAT parts, they know that it's been taken care of.
In the past, we did try CAT non-OEM parts, but they just don't seem to hold up to what CAT provides, so we stick with everything OEM.
We do have telematics on our machinery. It helps our fleet maintenance program internally track where all the machines are to order the CVAs in a timely fashion and do the maintenance that's needed.
Machine telematics can help customers keep their machines running optimally in a variety of ways from the machine health standpoint. And telematics can alert a CAT dealer prematurely, and the CAT dealer can go proactively to the customer to fix that machine before that particular code may be something more detrimental to the machine.
The maintenance and service that we receive from our CAT dealer is second to none. So I bleed yellow, and through acquisitions of other companies, we've converted a lot of those other companies from competition to CAT machines, and I just firmly believe that that's the best machine out there.